Meditation for releasing sadness. Hello, friend, and thank you for joining me. This meditation is for times when you are experiencing sadness. Let's begin by coming into a comfortable, seated position, somewhere that is quiet and warm. You may even lie down if that feels better to you today. You may like to have a warm blanket around you, the supportive pillows, making sure the spine is tall, the shoulders and jaws are relaxed, and bringing awareness to the breath, noticing it, following its natural rhythm. It's coming in and going out, simply watching. Slowing down the breath now. We'll take a few breaths together, breathing in for 4 counts. Hold and exhaling for 4 counts. Together, inhaling for 2, 3, 4, holding for 2, 3, 4, exhaling for 2, 3, 4, inhaling for 2, 3, 4, holding for 2, 3, 4, exhaling for 2, 3, 4, inhaling 2, 3, 4, holding 2, 3, 4, exhaling 2, 3, 4, and again inhaling 2, 3, 4, holding 2, 3, 4, and exhaling 2, 3, 4. And now we shall sit together with our sadness and all the other feelings that can sometimes accompany sadness: hopelessness, despair, worry, loneliness, and our vulnerability, taking awareness to the nature of our sadness and how it may be deep and rooted, and how it sometimes comes up most unexpectedly, and how it's like a wave sometimes, and how it may be difficult to understand, and also noticing our relationship with our sadness. Do we try and push it back? Are we impatient with our sadness, hoping it to go away, to disappear from our lives? Perhaps our sadness is looking for something else, some comfort, some acknowledgement, some love and kindness. Perhaps we need to honor our sadness, treat it like we would treat a friend, and feel its depth, allowing ourselves to cry if we need to, cradle our sadness, embrace our sadness. So now I invite you to visualize your sadness. Allow yourself to give it a shape, a size, a color, a texture, and imagine yourself holding your sadness while you say these words silently in your mind. Dear friend, I see you. I know you are there. My heart is open to you. Through you, my sadness, I have learned to open my heart. Through you, I know what it means to empathize. I want you to tell me where you come from. Sometimes when you arise, I do not know what to do with you, and all the other emotions that I begin to feel at that time: anger, despair, worry, anxiety, vulnerability, discomfort, loneliness. But today, I want to embrace you, look you in the eye, and hold you tight. I know you need to be comforted. You need to feel loved. I am here for you, and everything will be okay. I do not judge you. I do not resent you. You are a part of me, just like happiness is. Happiness and all the other emotions that it brings: joy, love, friendship, comfort, ease. And I know sadness, that even when you are there with me, sometimes for a few moments, sometimes for hours, sometimes for days. Even in those times, I can still find happiness, because happiness is inside me too, dear friend. I see you, I love you, I honor you, and I let you go. And I know that just like you came and will also go away, nothing lasts forever, not even sadness. And I cannot hold on to you. I need to release you. And I know that when you visit me again, I can sit with you, honor you, and then compassionately release you. With this, my sadness, I say goodbye to you. When you are ready, you can start to wiggle your toes and fingers, coming back to the room, to where you are, knowing that you can return to this practice whenever you need to. Open your eyes and give thanks to yourself for taking care of your body, mind, and emotions. Thank you for being with me here today. May love and peace be with you for the rest of your day. Thank you and namaste.